Hello guys, my name is Andrew of obscene.com. Welcome to Shortify review. Shortify is a brand new software that creates short video, especially for YouTube. It includes a specialist video creator. Shortify will find the latest trending content and will create video shorts for you. This will then be pushed up YouTube's algorithm. Remember, they want them to be seen. Guys, if you are interested in this software, please stick with me as I review more of this product. You are one click away from generating a tsunami of sales. Software usually use viral loophole to siphon free YouTube traffic. Guys, this software goes down on July 11. It will be out. So click to grab your Shortify. Click here to grab your Shortify. This bonus package expires in 4 days. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Let me introduce you to my bonuses. Bonus number 1, get online entrepreneur. You learn everything when you purchase Shortify, and this bonus will guide you in everything. Bonus number 2, learn how to make effective copywriting. Learn how to make effective copywriting. Bonus number 3, Joe's Bean Ads Hack is yours as well. Bonus number 4, access stittered first 24 only. Access stittered first 24 only. Bonus number 5 is all vendor bonuses. Guys, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Now for the vendor bonuses, bonus number 1, YouTube authority. Not already on YouTube? Don't worry. Get started with this simple step and make it big with Shortify. Bonus number 2, YouTube SEO versions 2, a step-by-step course teaching the most up-to-date SEO strategies that you must implement before publishing your Shortify videos. Bonus number 3, YouTube Rank Analyzer. This app will instantly find valuable keywords with poor SEO to boost your Shortify results. Here is the members area. Now, in the members area, we have the content dashboard, video suite, start here and log out. Now we are right here at the dashboard. Now, if you look at here, you see the trend with month. This is March, 45,000, April, 32,000, May, 70,000, June, 40,000, and so on and so forth. That is net profit. So you see all this information here. Weekly video will show here. Right now is 0. As soon as you start downloading videos and all that, you see the number here. And then rendering video will show here. Then download video is 130 now, and as soon as you keep on doing it, it will be adding more. All video will be showing here for the month. These are all the activities, timeline of downloads and renders. The activity, the dates and time, the uploads and everything is rendering here. So it shows you number of videos you downloaded into your Shortify, and the day and the last day will show. Everything will show you here. You can, when you put your mouse here, you can even see the figures everywhere. Then you can download. So when you are downloading, it shows you from month to month. Like in January the 7th, this is 0, and in April, in February, it says on the 7th, you see they got 5 videos downloaded. And then here in March, show you how many video downloaded. Here again in April, it show you how many video downloaded. Here in May, it show you how many video downloaded. And here it show you, that's in June, it show you how many video downloaded. When you see it is downloaded video, 30 videos already downloaded. Then here in month of July, they already had about 81 video downloaded. So this software will show you all the information you need. You go down here to say top authors and top sales, top engagement. All of them are shown, all the data are already here. The trendings. Then you go to video suite. Then it will take you to drag, drop, and then you click downloaded video, and it will show you find the video. Then you go back down here, say start here, you start putting your keywords and find the video right here. So everything here show you the trend of how many video that have been recorded from month to month. So Shortify is a revolutionary new software that pulls free traffic by piggy banking or YouTube's answer to TikTok video shorts. These are short, less than 60 seconds videos which are receiving massive traffic from YouTube into their effort to display TikTok as the world #1 viral platform. It works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose a keyword. Step 2, create a viral short video. Step 3, follow our secret method inside the members area to generate a dialogue of hungry buyer traffic. So guys, grab Shortify today and save $119. Today only time is $17. Get instant access now. Today only is $17. And these $17 include the bonuses. So all inclusive include the bonuses. So grab yours now and get Shortify. Piggyback on this hotel viral trend, 100% free traffic, run on autopilot, siphon free traffic from YouTube, 3-click setup, brand new method, newbies friendly, massive potential, 100% money back guarantee. This product here will give you everything you need to succeed in your online marketing. It's easily integrated. All you need is your traffic. You can just click from one place to another and get all your traffic you need. This is because it was super targeted for any niche. We just had to type in any keyword and the app will find the right traffic and begin to send it to any page I wanted in 30. It had nothing to do with building websites, creating products, twiddling social media, list marketing, paid ads, content marketing, e-commerce. It requires no previous experience. Inventory lists, paid ads, investments, time to set up, networking, expensive software, freelance, and most importantly, it will work even for a technical challenge dude just starting out in the industry. And so we started using it. So what is Shortify all about? Shortify is an over-the-shoulder tutorial showing YouTubers are making an absurd amount of money using latest trend. These are videos that go viral because YouTube is competing with TikTok for the short video space. Shortify also comes with a leading-edge software that will enable customers create stony video shots from which they can earn straight away. Price and upsell. Front-end Shortify is $14.95 and downside is $9.95. OTO1 Shortify Gold is $27 and downside is $17. OTO2 Shortify DFY, which means do it for you, is $47 and downside is $27. OTO3 Shortify Unlimited is $97 and downside is $77. OTO4 Shortify Reseller License is $77 and downside is $57. OTO5 Profile Blast Off is $77 and downside is $57. OTO6 Shortify VIP Bundle is $39 and downside is $27. Front-end Shortify, which is $14.96, access the powerful Shortify software and training modules. Front-end Bump, Video Profit Club Unlimited Edition is $9.95. Remove all limitations on Shortify software, comes with front-end members area, release the full power of our exclusive software for a one-time only fee, unlimited searches, unlimited leads, unlimited income. It is a one-time opportunity available only on this checkout page. This offer will never be repeated again. Upsell number 1, Shortify Gold, $27 and $17 downsell. Is this upgrade will spill the beans and reveal additional method for the buyers to double your profit with Shortify system. Over-the-shoulder video training, advanced tip and tricks, list building method never seen before. Upsell number 2, Shortify do it for you, $47 and downside $27. Pay your hands on my, or put your hands on my best high converting campaigns. Copy, paste those battle tested. Campaign to save your time and increase commissions. Full access to my evergreen do it for you campaigns. Review video and bonuses to giving away includes using them as your own with our branding system. My best follow-up sequence to increase engagement and promote additional offers. Step-by-step training how to get the most out of this so you bank money on autopilot. Push button monetization of the Shortify system. Access to world-class support. Upsell number 3. Shortify unlimited traffic, $97, and downsell is $77. Get unlimited traffic by placing your Facebook/Google pixel on all of our pages to gather huge retargeting audience and take advantage of less targeted traffic for dead cheap. Penny clicks. We have also included advanced traffic training for all traffic sources. Upsell number 4. Shortify reseller license, $77 and $57 downside. Still Shortify and sell it as your own. This product has taken months to develop and thousands of dollars have been spent creating all these sales materials. Tens of hours spent to record all these videos. Buyers of this upgrade will enjoy generated affiliate approval and automatically 100% commission bump on this awesome high converting funnel while we handle this support. Awesome package for new marketers who are struggling to get approval on affiliate offer. Upsell number 5, Shortify profit blast off, $77 and $57 downsell. Real done with you system. Jump on a live call with one of our team members so that we can do all the hard work for you. Customers that are trained for doing it alone will love this upgrade. Upsell number 6, Shortify VIP bundle is $39 and $27 downsell. Access to some of our recent best-selling digital products with one-time low-cost opportunity. Bankroll, Dynamic, The Secret, The Influence, and Influence Road Reloaded. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Piggyback on the hottest viral trend. 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphon free traffic from YouTube, 3 clicks setup, brand new method, newbie friendly, massive potential, start earning as early as today, 100% money back guarantee. Guys, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Thank you for watching my review, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.